So amid war in the Middle East and rising geopolitical uncertainty, what are the prospects for Ireland's economy? Pretty strong, actually, according to the latest economic forecast released today from the Department of Finance. It is projecting that the government's surplus, the amount of extra money the government has, will reach €9.2 billion. That's up from a previous projection of €5.1 billion. This is because of higher corporate tax receipts, as well as other factors, including lower spending by some government bodies outside of central government departments, such as local authorities. But it's not all good news in today's economic outlook. The Department of Finance has revised downwards its economic growth forecasts for this year and is also pointing out that if not for the Iran war, it would actually have been revising those forecasts upwards. Also contained in this outlook is a worst-case scenario involving the Middle East conflict, which would see a sharp rise in oil prices, leading to a big jump in inflation, piling further pressure on households.